Okay, so you're going to do the virtual lab. This is the PhET lab. So let me open up the instructions. So you're going to click the link here. You're going to click the link at the top where it says Circuit Construction Kit DC. And that should take you to this screen right here. First thing it asks you to do is click intro and then kind of play with the different things. And so you'll have wire and you'll have light bulbs, and you notice that they're red, and when you clip them together, they turn black. So that means that they're connected, and so you can kind of build your circuits, and that's how you do that. And then if I wanted to add something in, like maybe a switch, I'm going to do that, and then do that. And then if I wanted to add something like a resistor, I could do that as well. And then you've got your amp meter, you put it on top, and it's going to give you your voltage, or excuse me, your amps. And then you can take your voltmeter, and you can put it here and here. And see how it says 9 volts because I put it this way. And if I put it this way, let's see if I can get it to, I do it backwards. I don't know if I can get you to see it. It actually says negative 9 volts. So just pay attention if you do it the wrong way. If you do it backwards, there it goes. It's going to say negative. So if you do it correctly, though, it'll be positive. It just means that you hooked it up backwards. So you've got that. You can also change the system to symbols here. That gives you your symbols. This is a resistor and the load and the battery. And this is the actual picture. So play with that for just a second, kind of see how it goes. When I'm done, I could click on that and just click trash, or I could click here and completely start over. And once you've done that, you can go to the second one and click lab, and then you can start building. So the first thing says for you to build a series. I think you first start with 1 bulb, 1 switch, and 1 battery, which is basically what we just built. And then you move down. I think you add a switch, and then I think you add 2 more light bulbs later on, and then you'll remove wires, remove light bulbs, and then answer some questions there. Then when you get to the second part, you'll build parallel circuits. And remember, parallel circuits have parallel lines. So when you do that, you're going to build like different pathways. And you'll put the light bulbs in between. And I can't remember how many, but again, you'll have to connect them. Make sure that they turn black, because that's the biggest problem is people don't get them connected, and then they can't figure out why they don't work, and they don't work unless they're connected. And you'll have to connect the wires like this, and it probably won't make a perfect rectangle because it's just difficult to keep everything straight, but give it a shot. You might be able to kind of stretch them out this way. All right, so you kind of got your pathways set, and so then you've got to add your battery, and then I think at some point you add a switch, and then make sure you screenshot everything. Yay! Something like that. Okay, and again, you can turn it to symbols and pictures, but that should get you started. And if you have any questions, let us know, and make sure you take your screenshots and add them to your document. And then you turn your document on time.